My name is Braulio Barrero. I work for Roto-Rooter, and I am the sales manager for our water restoration department.
I'm Joe. I'm a restoration technician and content supervisor at Disaster Response, and we specialize in cleaning up mold, flood, fires, trauma, biohazard, and storm damage.
I've used MyWay Mobile Storage on numerous occasions for our line of business. Running into homes that have damaged basements, we need to take a lot of people's personal belongings and contents out and store them somewhere safely and securely, and MyWay Mobile Storage does a great job of providing that service for us.
MyWay Mobile Storage is very reliable. They're never more than a phone call away, and they always get a pod to the job site when we need it.
We are dealing with a customer who's somewhat of a hoarder. We had to have 10 units delivered on site, and we had to have 4 delivered on one day. Those filled up quickly. We had to have 4 more delivered the next day, and then most recently, as of like yesterday, last minute customer says, hey, I was expecting 2 more units, where are those at? So I made the call to MyWay Mobile, let them know the situation. They were able to pull some strings and squeeze it in and get 2 more pods delivered that same day, which made us very happy, made our customer very happy, and was a great experience overall for everyone involved.
MyWay Mobile Storage has been the easiest and most dependable company I have ever dealt with. They're never more than a phone call away. They always answer calls, they always return calls, and they have always made sure that our needs are met. Because when MyWay Mobile Storage meets our needs, we are able to meet our clients' needs.
I would definitely recommend MyWay Mobile Storage for anybody that needs, that service. They've been great to work with, friendly, cost-effective, and we'll pretty much work with you as far as whatever you need.
I want to thank MyWay Mobile Storage for your pods, your fantastic staff, and making sure that our clients are happy.
I would like to thank MyWay Mobile Storage for assisting us. They provide what we need. It's kind of like a partnership, and it helps us do what we need to do to take care of our customers, and the customers really appreciate having the storage units on site, store what they need in there while we're doing what we need to do.